everybody and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. Now, you know when you see my niece Kayla, you know what time it is. It means it is time for the Degustabox. So we have got the, oh, turn this around the other way. We have got the December Degustabox here. Okay, so that arrived whilst we were away on a holiday. So I am literally just working my way through the boxes that have arrived and packages I've received whilst I was away, and I found this one here, so I was like, oh right, this is another video I need to film. And as Kayla and her mum are both here now for Christmas, it's a good time to do it. So what is Degustabox? Degustabox is a monthly subscription box. It's a box that provides you with sort of about 10 items, snacks, treats, store cupboard ingredients, the odd drinks, that sort of thing. But it's all food related, drink related items. It'll be products from brands that we have heard of, old favourites, you know, Hines, McVitie's, that sort of thing. And there'll be some new brands as well, or new products that they are hoping to launch. And this is a good way to introduce us in the UK to the products. Now, Degustabox is available sort of throughout Europe, so it's not just the UK. So I've seen it being unboxed in Germany, in France, Austria. I think I saw it being unboxed as well. So it is available in various places around Europe as well. And I am not sure, but I think they are available in the United States as well. I'm not sure on that one, so don't quote me on that. The box, oh, it used to cost £12.99, but the price has increased. I can't remember what the new price is, so I'll put the price down below. But I have got, if you use my code, you will get £5 off your first subscription. So whatever the price is now, you will get £5 off it. You can still hear that I've got a cold, so my voice is still sounding a bit strained. Difference is now that I can hear myself, whereas yesterday I couldn't hear myself at all. Right, okay, let's go. Let's see what we got. Kayla, my dear, you want to come in and assist? So I'll take out the leaflets, see what leaflets we've got, and then you can do that. So we have got, the theme is, oh, it's December box, enjoy the season. They've got a couple of things here. Oh, they've got a recipe for beef Wellington. I love a good beef Wellington. I've never attempted making it, but when I go out and there's a beef Wellington on the menu, I will get it because it's one of my favourite foods. What else we got here? We've got a little postcard. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, filled with joy. I think that's just from Degustabox, so we've got that. We have got choose one of our special gift offers. These are just the different subscriptions you can get from Degustabox, and there is a code there. So I've got to get through all the leaflets. Right, okay, let's go. You start with it. That's the first thing we're picking up, and we're going to hold that up. Wonderful. Come back a little bit. Yeah, that's it. There we go. Alright, brilliant. So this is from Kellogg's, and it's a crunchy nut chocolate mocha flavour granola. This is worth £3. Try something new for breakfast with our crunchy nut barista edition chocolate mocha flavour granola. Good grief. Infused with aromatic coffee flavour, with milk chocolate curls and sliced almonds. It's high in fibre and contains no artificial colours or flavours. The crunchy nut breakfast granola is inspired by baristas and made for coffee lovers. Can you resist? I'm afraid I can.
Same here. Yeah.
I know, it just sounds like complete corruption to me personally that they've put coffee in it and they've put chocolate in it. Crunchy nut is wonderful as it is. It doesn't need anything extra, and then to do that to a granola, my word, that is just pure contamination. I'm not sure who will eat that. Maybe Uncle Dan might want it, I don't know. I will see. If it's something that's still sitting in a couple of months time, then we know nobody wants it, and it may just end up in a food bank. Okay, yeah, just put it down there and we'll sort that out. Okay, alright, next we'll do something else. What's that? Do you want to open that up? What could that possibly be? It looks like Dr. Wills. Yeah, Dr. Wills. So from Dr. Wills, we could either get a tomato ketchup, a 250 grams or 500 grams. We could either get a barbecue sauce or a mango sriracha hot sauce or vegan mayo. So what have we got there? What's that one?
Sweet mango something something.
Okay, so Morango Sriracha? Yeah, sweet mango Sriracha. Very weird. So this is worth £3.50. It's something new, so you know we might try it with something. I don't know what you eat it with, but we will figure it out. So Dr. Will's all natural condiments are the perfect addition to every meal. Our products are made up entirely of store cupboard ingredients, no added sugar and nothing ultra processed. The dip, dollop, dive in Dr. Will's, more flavour, less sugar. I must admit I do like their ketchup. Their ketchup was really nice. It was very flavoursome because I did get that in the previous month's box. So we will try this with something. I don't know what, but we'll try.
I'm going to wash my hands and get this off my feet.
Oh, what have you got on your feet? What's that?
I stepped on something and it's...
Oh dear, alright, come back. I'll just pause it then. Okay, so let's go. Next item. Okay, so this is from Tony's. Is that Tony's? Yeah. Tony's Chocolonely Little Bits Milk Caramel Sea Salt Biscuit. I just bought sort of, it's one of my treats. It's in the fridge. I've got the full bars of it in my fridge at the moment because I do like this. So do you want to try it out? Taste it? These are £3. Our best selling bar in a Moorish little bit crunchy caramel covered in a chunky layer of our dreamy creamy milk choco, sprinkled with sea salt. Can it get any better? It sure can, with our buttery cookie bits in there too. Oh, you don't like it?
No, it's hard. It's
hard? Well, it's chocolate and you gotta suck on it. It's probably why I like it, because it's not so soft and chewy. It's nice. It's good, isn't it? Alright, so this is worth £3 and it's available in all major supermarket chains. Okay, so that's one. Put that there. Carry on. We've got stock cubes of some sort. Which ones are those ones? Beef gravy pot. Oh, it's a gravy pot. Okay, so this is from Knorr and it's beef gravy pot, so it's £2.25. A roast dinner wouldn't be the same without homemade gravy. Now you can enjoy a rich gravy that tastes like it's made from scratch, all in a fraction of the time, with quality ingredients and slowly simmered meat juices. The authentic flavours are perfect for your red meat dishes. This is available in Tesco, Sainsbury's, Asda and Ocado. Prices at the retailer's discretion, but they're saying here it's about £2.25. There you go. Yeah, that will get used. At some point we will have a roast over the next week or so. Okay, carry on. Next, we've got some soup here. So this is the product of the month, and there should be 2 tins here. So we've got Hines fresh onion soup, French onion soup, and we've also got a Hines broccoli and Stilton soup. Is that correct? So that's a French onion. Yeah. Okay, now French onion soup is one of my favourite soups. It really is. But you've got to have the Gruyere cheese and the bits of bread in there as well. I had it whilst we was on holiday. We went to the French restaurant. Absolutely loved it. French onion soup. You know the soup me and your mum had one day at the French restaurant for starter? Yeah. So these tins are £1.70 each. Do you want to... I'll hold one up and you hold one up. Oh, this one's spicy parsnip. Okay, so it's not what they've said. So, it's a classic soup, flavourings. Just got Heinz here. The French onion soup is finally here with unmistakable Heinz taste. The flavoursome soup has onion pieces and a hint of red wine for a traditional and rich taste. Try it out with cheese croutons on top to warm you up during winter cold nights. No artificial colours or preservatives, low fat, low sugar and vegetarian. It's available in Tesco, Sainsbury's and Morrison's, Asda and Ocado. And then I've got spicy parsnip here. So I think it's supposed to be the broccoli and Stilton, but this will go down well as well. So this is £1.70 as well. It's new but a classic. New but classic but new. Creamy Stilton and flavoursome broccoli make the most delicious match. But we haven't got that, so there we go. We got a spicy parsnip. So I don't know if that was a mistake, but there we go. Okay. Right, next. That looks like it's from Maggie. Oh, instant noodles. Okay,
That's mine.
That's yours, isn't it? So Maggie chicken flavour instant noodles, and these are £2. The perfect choice if you want a quick, filling and tasty snack or a complete meal just by adding your favourite protein. So Maggi chicken flavour noodles are low in saturated fat and suitable for vegetarians. Just add boiling water and wait 3 minutes to enjoy them any time of the day. These are available at Asda, Iceland, B&M, Poundland and Lidl. Prices at the retailer's discretion, but they're suggesting £2 for these. And you get 4. It looks like you get 4 in the bags. That's okay.
Yeah.
You'll like those, so those are good. Okay, next. This is our protein offering. They always give us some sort of protein offering of some sort. So this is from Alpen Delight bar. 59 pence each. So enjoy a moment of delight with our brand new Alpen Delight bars, made with creamy rolled oats, whole grain, wheat flakes and crispy rice, blended with delicious inclusions and finished with a smooth chocolate coating. At 92 calories per bar, it truly is the perfect anytime treat. Okay, these are okay. Available in all major supermarket chains. You should receive 2 items in your box, which we have. Cool. These can be eaten by all of us, so that's alright. Okay, next. Right. So this is from More Vits. We've had this brand before. I think we had canned drinks from them before. So this is orange, mango and passion fruit multivitamin squash, or a summer fruits multivitamin squash. So I don't know what that one is. That is the summer fruits we've got there. I would have liked the orange, mango and passion fruit.
Oh, that's what I thought you got.
No, it's the summer fruits. These are £2.50. Brand new to Get More Vits is our multivitamin squash, perfect at home for the whole family. Our multivitamin squash contains 20% fruit juice, no added sugar, and best of all, each serving contains 50% of your daily dose of vitamins, including vitamin D. So there you go. It's available in Tesco's and Asda, and you should receive 1 in your box. So that's what we've got. Okay, cool.
That's it.
No, there's something else. So now this is alcoholic or non-alcoholic. So let's open this up. I'll keep the bubble wrap. The bubble wrap is always handy. I think this is non-alcoholic. Yeah, it's non-alcoholic. It's from Iceberg Sparkling Rosé. Alcohol-free wine, sparkling rosé is £4. Iceberg alcohol-free starts as a regular wine with the alcohol gently removed. Iceberg is available in a range of your favourite varieties, perfect for any occasion. Vegan and lower calorie too. It's available in Tesco's, Morrison's, Co-op, Ocado and Amazon. It's £4. So we've got a sparkling rosé, which is cool because that's what we were drinking a lot of, but with alcohol whilst we were away. Okay, so this is an okay box. I wouldn't say it's very celebratory, Christmassy, festive-y. I would say it is more comfort, sort of winter comforts rather than anything else. I'm looking forward to trying the French onion soup from Hines. I'll try that out. But everything else is okay. Everything will get used. Not sure what to do with this from Dr. Wills, but we'll find a way. Maybe I could use it with cheeses, maybe? I don't know, cheese and crackers and stuff. I really don't know. But everything else, yeah, it's okay. I think the only dodgy item is the Kellogg's Crunchy Nut Chocolate Mocha Flavour Granola. Honestly, I think that's just an abomination of granola. So we'll see. I think that's going to be here in a month's time, and it'll be given to our local food bank. Alright guys, so that's our Degustabox for December. It's the final one of the year. What did we think of that box? What do you think? Out of 10, what would you give?
8.
You give it an 8 out of 10? Okay, that's a high score. I think I would have gone lower.
Same.
So it's an alright box. It's not the best way to end the year, in my opinion, but it's an alright box. But overall, if this is a subscription I'm going to continue with because I do enjoy getting the Degustabox each month. It's still fun for me, so I will continue to get it. Right guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't done so already, please give us a subscribe. So smash that button. That will change the colour so you know you're subscribed. And if you want to make sure you're able to take part in any of my giveaways in the future, make sure that you're a public subscriber as well. Alright, thanks very much for watching. If I don't see you before the end of the year, have a great Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you on the other side in January. Take care. Bye.
Farewell.